Beloved intercessor, we read in Nehemiah chapter 6 verse 15 that in 52 days the wall of Jerusalem was completed, providing protection and providing a future for that city. The Lord wants to accelerate his work in our midst. The time of the pandemic is not a time to withdraw. It's a time to move forward as a church. It's a time to plant. It's a time to multiply. So I'm going to ask you after this meeting that you will take a few minutes in prayer, yourself and God, and ask the Lord if it is your time to open a new prayer group. And if you feel the peace of the Lord, it doesn't go by your qualification. It is by the peace and the guidance of the Lord. If you feel that peace in your heart, then contact us, contact your leader, and establish a new group even today. Within the next 24 hours, open a new prayer group that you will lead every day. You will bring your relatives, your friends, those who are prodigals and you know them. And so the people you reach, we cannot reach. That is the key to this growth. We want to make disciples, and there are people that need to be embraced, and they will only be embraced by the right leaders, the right people. So I urge you in the name of the Lord, help us multiply this work. Let's go for it and embrace the world with prayer. God bless you.